All right, ladies, let's talk about some real estate affirmations today. I want you to repeat these after me. I'm going to read them off really slow, and I want you to say them out loud. It's great that you're hearing my voice, but I want you to say these out loud so that you can hear it in your voice, so that your subconscious can really believe that you deserve all these things that you're asking God for. You're asking the universe for. Okay? So we're going to keep this up on the YouTube channel. We're going to keep it up in the She Buys It Facebook group and on the She Buys It page. I want you to bookmark this video. I want you to listen to it every single day. I want you to scream it out loud so that your neighbors hear you and think you've gone crazy, so that your roommates hear you and think you've gone crazy. And it's okay if your husband's your roommate. Okay? I want you to believe this. All right? And we're going to also attach these real estate affirmations down in the description of this video so that you can read them, you can write them down, and you can use these as your real estate affirmations. All right? See it, do it, believe it. What is it? Be, do, have. You got to be what you're talking about. You've got to do what you're talking about before you can have what you're talking about. It's going to start with these real estate affirmations. This is a free gift from me to you, and I want you to play this every single day. Play it all day long if you have to. All right, y'all ready? Your sellers send you leads for more opportunities. Your sellers ask intelligent questions. You have more than enough comps to give solid offers on every single house. Your friends and family value your real estate investing knowledge. You are flooded with motivated sellers. You are a real estate problem solver. You are a successful real estate investor. You buy houses easily and consistently. You are a great negotiator. Your real estate portfolio makes you more money than your job pays you every single month. Your tenants pay early every month. Your bank account is overflowing. You wake up every day to a new batch of motivated seller leads. Your competition decided to quit buying houses. Your competition moved out of your honey hole. Your mom is so proud of the investments that you have made. You make 3 offers confidently. Every person that you meet is a lead source. Your sellers love the win-win offers that you make them. Your sellers are happy to accept your terms. There are 100 new motivated sellers in your market every single day. You are a sought-after investor. You are a sought-after investor in your honey hole. You find and buy excellent real estate deals. You buy real estate deals that make you more successful. You are a successful real estate investor. All right, now I want you to repeat these after me. I want you to hear this next section in your own voice. So say it after me. I'm going to move to first person so that you say it to you. Ready? I can and will have more leads than I ever dreamed possible. I feel good about collecting rent and deserve passive income in my life. Great deals are flowing to me now. I create my wonderful, ideal real estate portfolio. I am thankful for the houses I have bought and the passive income that real estate provides. My dream life is now. I know I am a successful real estate investor. I always have enough money for my deals every day and in every way. I am buying more and more houses. I see myself as wealthy. I see myself as a wealthy real estate investor, and that's who I am. I am choosy about the houses I buy. I have an amazing return on investment from every single deal. I am worthy of monthly passive income from real estate investing. My next investment is ready for me now. I love investing in all of its beautiful forms. I am wide awake to investment opportunities all around me. I release all my negative beliefs about real estate investing and invite motivated sellers into my life. I am happy, wealthy, generous, and live in a huge mansion. Collecting rent is my birthright. It's the most natural way of growing wealth. Making deals is good for me and for my sellers in my honey hole. My passive income is growing higher and higher every month. Real estate is an important part of my life and is never away from me. All my issues with real estate investing have disappeared. I clearly see multiple opportunities to effortlessly make offers on houses. I have all the money I need to make all the deals I want. Whatever I do, it always ends in signing contracts. I attract passive income. Rent money flows freely and abundantly into my life every month. I will be productive today and make lots of offers this week. Today, my portfolio is unlimited. My success is guaranteed. I always have whatever I need to make all the deals I want. Perfect inspections are my investing reality. Option fees come easily and effortlessly to me. Every day, in every way, my monthly passive income is increasing. I am destined to find empty houses in every town I visit. I am gracious for the sellers and buyers I have in my life. I am free to make any investment I wish to make. Today is filled with opportunities to buy houses, and I will sign the contract. Being wealthy gives me time freedom to enjoy relaxing vacations and room to have fun in my life. I am now able to buy a large apartment complex. All of my properties cash flow thousands of dollars into my bank account every month. Thank you, Lord, for my negotiating skills. Feeling relaxed and happy attracts better deals. I allow all good deals to come into my life, and I enjoy closing them. Owning a lot of property that's free and clear is a positive expression of divine energy. I can easily imagine myself having hundreds of $1,000 months. Slam dunk deals flow to me every single week. I realize that I can help others with my safe, affordable housing, so I keep buying houses. I am a fantastic real estate investor. I am thankful for the sellers who call me ready to sign the paperwork. Big deals surround me. Big deals are within me. Big deals flow throughout me. All of my negotiations are met with instant approval. I know there are sellers looking for me now. I have the power to be a successful real estate investor. I allow all of my properties to perpetuate good in the world. I let go of all resistance to buying houses and deals come to me naturally. I am a house buying machine and house deals are drawn to me. Passive income now happens to me. Deals flow freely in my life. I am relaxing into greater investments. I now release the house buying machine within me. I am worthy of receiving really good deals right now. I am willing to be more powerful now. I am now accumulating large sums of passive income like a powerful magnet. I attract motivated sellers in good school districts. I release all of the negative voices in my head. I am certain that real estate investing is the perfect way for me to live. I am rich with houses and passive income. My tenants pay their rent early every single month. Good deals and motivated sellers surround me. I release all negativity about buying houses. I attract passive income with each deal I close. I am an extremely successful real estate investor. I deserve the best deals in town and they come to me easily. I enjoy my new life and share lots of love with the world. I am a happy, wealthy, healthy, and wise real estate investor. I am a successful real estate investor. Good job. Yay! Let's go buy some houses.